We've lost our assets, we've lost our women, we've lost our children, we've lost our fathers, we've lost our mother. What do we have left? Nothing. These people have ravaged our land, they've taken over our land. These guys are not bandits, for God's sake. We are dealing with terrorists. It is on record. Army spokesman once asserted that terrorists are relocating from northwest to north central. Where are they relocating to in north central? Niger State. Of recent, the last Eid al-Kabir, we saw video clips of terrorists, where they released video to have observed Eid al-Kabir somewhere in Niger State. Up till this moment, neither the federal government nor Niger State government has come out to categorically either debunk this or give us assurances that they are on top of this situation. So it will be insulting and an affront to our people for anybody to assert or opine that these people are bandits. They are not bandits. We are dealing with full-scale terrorism, and unfortunately, it is either the president is not aware or he don't actually want to act. Niger State have mirage of problems. Our roads are terrible. Our power supply is epileptic. We are dealing with insecurity. Our schools are dilapidated. Nothing seems to be working in Niger State. And on the part of the governor, we have a governor that has taken pride in junketeering. He's either moving from one point to another. He's docile. He's not sitting. He's not acting. He seems to be indifferent to our plight. And we ask, in the last election, 2019 election, it is on record. The governor himself went to Shiro local government to canvass for vote. But as I talk to you, more than 50% of Shiro local government is gone. Up till this moment, the governor has not deemed it fit to visit our people and address us, even if it is going to be political. And we ask, what if these attacks were in Kontogora? Will the governor look the other way? The answer is no. The governor is looking the other way, possibly because he realized our people are downtrodden. And we say enough is enough. We are going to remain on the street. We don't have guns. We are not going to fight anybody, but we are going to remain here as long as it takes until the right thing is done. What is our demand? The government should end the insecurity in Shiro local government.
First of all, let me start by appreciating everyone that is here. I'm from Shiroro local government, and I think in the entire state, Shiroro local government